Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Sangkutuan 3. Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. So ito guys, meron lang ako sa inyong i-update dito sa aming kusina at saka meron lang akong news na sasabihin sa inyo na iiwanan muna namin itong bahay namin. So, panandalian kasi kaya hindi ako naka-upload at saka busy pa rin ako sa aking sa aming kusina at siyempre nagbabantay din ako sa apo ko dahil walang ibang nagbabantay for a week. So, ako muna ang dati kasi sa kabila naman yung nanay ng asawa ng anak ko, siyempre sila din nagbabantay pero sa ngayon week na to wala talaga sila, so ako lahat o week. At mahirap mag-edit, it's so hard to edit na meron kang binabantayan na bata, diba? So, ito yung nagtataka siguro kayo dahil hindi ako nakaka-update, kaya yun yan ang dahilan. At saka yung isa pang dahilan guys, yung computer ko, yung editing ay nag-a-act siya, yung parang nag-jumpy siya, kaya kailangan niya i-check. So, I don't wanna waste my video. Tapos nag-jumpy lang siya, diba? So, pagpasensyahan na muna ninyo ako kung hindi ako nakaka-upload kasi yun nga ang dahilan. So, at gusto ko sana i-update sa inyo yung nang nagawa dito sa aming kusina guys. So, panandalian, iiwanan muna namin dito. Wala namang iba kundi kami lang nakatirang asawa ko, pati yung anak ko paminsan-minsan pumupunta at nag-stay. So, ayun nga guys, iiwanan muna namin itong aming bahay ng panandalian at pagbalik namin, saka na ito namin tatapusin yung kusina. Kasi halos nandito na lahat yung kailangan sa kusina. Kaya, pero kasi busy yung yung son-in-law ko at marami talaga siyang client. At mahirap mag-hire guys kasi siyempre bakit naman, ba't ka naman mag-hire kung kaya naman ang gawin ng asawa mo, diba? So siyempre, kung kaya lang naman ng asawa kong gawin ang paunti-unti hindi naman tayo nag-aapura. Pero yung mga kailangan ng kusina namin ay yung katulad ng mga appliances ay yun ang una namin binili. So it was in the garage for couple months before namin nag-start kami dito sa So, kaya, bago namin na yan, mayroon na kami mga appliances na nabili na i-ready na sa So, nung mapuno na yung so, bumili kami ng washing dryer, as you know, at saka bagong sink at faucet, at saka yung hindi pa lang na may dishwasher na kami ngayon sa sa garage, at ang bibilihin pa lang namin ay ang stove at exhausted fan and microwave. May microwave ka maliit pero yung kailangan i-insert dun sa cabinet. So yun lang ang update ko guys. So ang kailangan namin tapusin pagdating ay pintura lang at kasi ang iba nilagyan na ng asawa ko ng spackling kasi kaya kami pupunta also sa Florida guys kasi tutulungan namin yung son-in-law namin dahil bumili sila doon ng bahay, ng condo na kailangan i-remodel at ibibenta rin naman nila. So doon kayo mag-stay at tutulungan ng asawa ko maggawa ng electrical bahay. So as we there, magbabakasyon kami sa Disney World para makita ng apo ko ang unang pagkikita niya doon sa Disney. At visit kami sa Magic Kingdom para makita ng apo ko ang kanyang kung anong reaction niya. So, nandoon lahat ang mga in-laws ng anak ko. So, yan, ipapakita ko sandali sa inyo kung anong hitsura niya. As you know, nakabili na kami panglagay. We already got that thing foaming, everything for tilings and for heating the floor. Kasi maglalagay kami ng heater sa floor. So, yun, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang mayroon dito ngayon sa amin sa kusina o ano na ba ang nagawa o ano na. As the meantime, kahit even though we don't have any stuff in here, but we have a temporary sink that my son-in-law, not a sink, a cabinet that we put our new sink over it. Para may magagamit nga namin for everyday. Pero it's too hard to use the kitchen right now guys because it's just you don't have, wala kang lagayan sa pagluluto. Kaya minsan karamihan talaga we order the food, and also yung mga sandali ang pagluluto lang, hindi yung marami kang mga ingredients, diba? Kasi mahirap, lalo na may binabantayan ako. Of course, you know, I would like to finish this kitchen before Thanksgiving kasi, you know, I have to put the Christmas tree and everything. So, okay guys, dami ko pang sinasabi, but I wanna show you this. We're leaving tonight, Friday night. We're going to the St. Augustine, Florida. So, doon kami pupunta. Okay? I'm gonna show you quick what my kitchen look like. So here we go guys. Nandito yung mga plant ko ngayon guys kasi kailangan ng allowance. The flooring is not done yet. Kasi siyempre marami pa kaming uunahin bago ang flooring. Pero everything is in here. All the cement for flooring, the foam right here. So yan, ready na siya. At saka yan is clatter offset, that is for the flooring. We put the wire in, we put the cement first, and then we have all the tiles here. So ayan ang mga tiles namin sa kusina, and this is our tile for the kitchen. As you know, this is the color that we picked for our kitchen, light gray, and it match with hopefully everything. So yan, ilang box yan dito. So we have the same tiles in the bathroom to the kitchen. So this is the bathroom. That all done except for that one wall over there and in here, because we can't do nothing much in there because we have all the tile. And so some of them we spackle. My husband spackled them already, and we spray foam all the gap there for the gaps, so we know it's easy to spackle. And here the outside is all spackle guys. So everything, not all everything, but my husband already spackle. So this is the drywall that is have to go inside to put it in. And yeah, my husband started to spackle here the ceiling, and we decided to paint that thing. I primer that, I put primer on that, and then we're gonna paint it. But if it doesn't, for me it look good, it blend into everything. But if it doesn't right, we're gonna put like my son-in-law gonna make me a wood to put it to cover that thing. So for now, I think that is. Comment down below what do you think on that guys. Okay, so anyway, so we put all the spackle here. All we have to do is grab the spackle and come back and paint. And the only thing we didn't put the spackle in here yet because my husband is run out of time, so we're gonna do that when we come back. That would be easy now when we come back to finish all the tape for spackle and that one and that one. So yan ang corner ng ano niyan, hindi naman mahirap yung gawin na. Yan. Yun lang naman ang kailangan, and also that that's there in the corner. So my son-in-law hopefully could help him, but if you don't have to worry about them below because you know what, the cabinet is gonna be there. So ayan, so we're gonna empty this when we come back. We try to get, so this is the new sink that we bought guys. I love this sink. It's big. It was 33 inches long, big, and they come with the tray, and that is chopping board. I already show you in a web video. I'm gonna show you. And of course we have that I can put this in here. And as you know, I ordered this in Amazon, so that comes with it all free. So this comes with it in a sink right there. Yan. So on this chopping board also I put the inner zone is that, and this touchless faucet. I like this because you just go like this, and yeah, it's not touchable in here. It's only over that part. So yan ang bago naming sink guys. So it's very nice. And the door is gonna get changed. This is not the door that it comes with it. She had a design on it, so it's only the temporary door for our sink. So do that. So all the cabinet in here. So yeah, and this tile, we have white tiles for over the cabinet in between. So we're gonna put like a tiles, and then this is the tiles for the wall all the way here in between the cabinets, and also the fan. Yeah, so everything is sparkle, not over, but it's a process, guys, you know. Yan, all the sparkle is, yeah, it's getting there. So the only thing we didn't sparkle in here, because my hubby is still have to work on it to put the thing for the electric heat floor. So this is what that thing look like. We're gonna be putting a heated wire here first. That's why she need to take that off before she put the sparkle. Yeah, everything here is done. So yan, guys. So yan. So when we come back home, we finish this, and we all gonna put the hardwood floor, the tiles, and put all the cabinet in the same time, and my adjusted fan and a new stove. Ayan, guys. Okay. Salamat sa panonood. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button below, share, leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. If you want to follow me in my Facebook account, go to Shanko213 Vlog